welcome to day 5 of my Slimming World food diary for the week. So we've had tea, but if you want to see what we had for breakfast and lunch and everything like that, then keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all my other videos coming out. I do all kinds of stuff. Good morning, it's Friday. Is it Friday? Oh my god, it's Friday. And we're having a brunch because we have been very lazy this morning. It's 1 o'clock and we're having like a bit of a Slimming World breakfast. So we have 2 fried eggs with fry light, 3 pieces of bacon with all the fat cut off, fry light mushrooms, baked beans, healthy extra B with 1.5 sins for my Love Pack light, and a cup of tea. Dan, what? You're just in the corner.
Don't film me.
I'm not filming you. It's 4:30 and we're having a little afternoon tea. I've used up the last of my milk from my half of my healthy extra A. Danny. And I'm having an Alpenlight Jaffa cake bar, which is 3 sins. What have you had?
Oreos.
These are 2 Oreos. Oreo mint, which are my favourite. Good evening, it's 7:30 and we have a chicken doppiaza. Well, we have a doppiaza sauce, and over here is our tandoori chicken, which has been marinated in yogurt, and it's really, really good. I'll just double check. Nice. So I'm going to put that in the sauce now. I've got my sin-free pinch of nom onion BAHJIS just crisping up. They look really eggy. They don't look as nice as the last time I made them, but I'm having some rice with it, which is half a sin because I do microwave rice when it's just a little bit on the side. I'm going to cut up some lettuce as well. I haven't got any, I thought I had some cucumber, but I haven't. I've got this raita, cooling creamy yogurt sauce, which is 1 sin a tablespoon. So I'm going to sprinkle that sort of over my over my BAHJIS. I'm rather looking forward to it actually. Okay, it's ready. So I ended up having 2 tablespoons of the yogurt as dressing on my lettuce. There's 6 sin-free onion BAHJIS. I might have eaten 1. Sin-free onion BAHJIS, sin-free chicken doppiaza, which is really spicy and delicious, and then half a sin for my rice. So 2.5 sins. Not bad. All right, we had tea. It was absolutely gorgeous. Very, very impressed with my hello breasts. But I'm sat here thinking, oh, there's a bar of chocolate on the side. Like, I'm not going to eat it, but I can think about it. I'm not usually bothered for chocolate, but I think because that dinner was so salty and spicy, you know, I want something quite creamy and sweet. The reason I bought it was because on Valentine's Day, Dan made me these strawberries that were like drizzled with chocolate, and they were awesome, and I thought, oh, I'll do that again because it was really good. Like, it's been sat there for about a week, that chocolate bar, but I haven't touched it yet. It's just sat there, and I'm amazed he's not eating it actually. Dan reckons he's going to do that stopping eating chocolate in March challenge. Like, I don't think he'll do it. He has chocolate every single day. So I don't think I can be bothered to do the strawberry chocolate drizzle thing. But we have got some jelly left over from yesterday. And I've got that Oppo ice cream, which is really low calorie. So I'm trying to remember how many sins I've had today. So I've had 1, 2, I've had 4 all day, haven't I? So I don't know. I just feel like I need something sweet, like. Do you think you could slurp all that into your mouth?
Yeah.
I don't even know how much this is. I've given you more than me. I need to weigh out my ice cream. So 100 mils is 74 calories, which is 3.5 cents. 35. Have you got any normal ice cream, Dan?
I might have some.
Because there isn't going to be enough of this for both of us.
There might be something out there, yeah.
See, this is all the ice cream that's left, and it's not even my 3 sins, so there's only 87. Alright, it's bedtime, and I remembered that I had 3 sins in the Alpenbar as well, didn't I? So it's a good job I didn't decide to have any more ice cream or anything like that. Right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to subscribe so you can tune in tomorrow to see day 6. Is that right? Yeah. I think I'm going to carry on doing this vlog until my next weigh-in so you can see how much I've lost this week. If I've lost. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye!